sakto, meron akong alam. Text ko na lang sa'yo. Yung address sa yung number.
Sige, salamat ha. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Coffee Shops Company, what can I do for you?
Good afternoon. Can I talk to your manager, Miss Navarro?
Yes, that's me. What can I do for you?
Available pa po kayong pastry chef position?
Yes, of course. Are you interested for this job?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So I'll just set the appointment for your job interview.
I know your company's location already.
I'm available on Saturday morning. We'll do your interview.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be there. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. See you. Come in.
Wait na, may bisita kasi ako. May interviewin pa. Oo. Oo, sige. Ma'am. Bye-bye. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm Precious Emma Sistores.
Have a seat. So you are Precious Torres and you're 25 years old. As you called me last Wednesday night, you're applying for the job of pastry chef. So we will start with you. Tell me about yourself. Tell me something about yourself.
I just graduated in 8 weeks as culinary.
May mga employee din ako magtrabaho doon. So, magaling naman sila. I don't have any problem against them. So, do you have any background in food handling in any establishment?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I just work as pastry chef in Cadillac.
Cadillac. Maganda ba doon?
I don't think so.
Sa bagay kung di maganda. Ikaw- What if you are not assigned as pastry chef? Can you work as an all-around chef in this company?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to work as all-around chef.
That's nice. Are you willing to extend your 8 working hours if you are requested to extend?
Of course, ma'am. There's no problem.
Sa bagay, magiging advantage din naman sa'yo yun kasi pwede rin madagdagan ang salary mo kapag nag-extend ka. So, I just want to know what are your expectations when you got hired here?
To share my expertise in cooking